Hey everyone! If your WhatsApp is showing the error you have reached your monthly limit of new set messages, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, find the WhatsApp app on your phone. Press and hold the icon until a small menu pops up. Then tap App Info. In the App Info page, tap Force Stop, then confirm by tapping OK. This stops the app from running in the background and allows it to reset. And give WhatsApp a fresh start. Next, select Storage, then tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and confirm. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages or account. Now, make sure WhatsApp is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap on the app, and if you see an Update button, go ahead and update it. Installing the latest version ensures you have all the bug fixes and improvements. Finally, restart your phone. This helps your device fully apply the changes and resets the app completely. And that's it. After following these steps, your WhatsApp should be working perfectly again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.